Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Pro only way. Start by mastering movement and aim. Practice strafing, slide canceling, and consistent headshots in small drills. Prioritize map control by holding key lanes, using vertical space, and predicting enemy rotations. Customize loadouts for playstyle, favoring mobility, recoil control, and sound awareness. Practice communication, utility timing, and post-plant positioning to turn rounds in your favor consistently. Focus on aim and recoil control with daily drills and controlled bursts. Warm up with aim trainers, then practice recoil patterns on a training range and low-sensitivity flicks. Optimize sensitivity to balance precision and reaction time, and tweak ADS and hipfire settings for your monitor. Use attachments that reduce vertical recoil and improve handling. Review gameplay clips to identify mistakes, and set small measurable goals each session to track steady improvement. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a small touch that makes long commutes nicer and your mic scent-free. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making content. Check the description for the link and other deals I tested for convenience. I appreciate you watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Master map knowledge and rotations to outmaneuver opponents and secure objectives. Learn spawn patterns, common sightlines, and high perch spots to dominate engagements. Communicate concise callouts, use pings, and coordinate utility to deny enemy movement. Adjust tactics when opponents counter, and vary your approach to stay unpredictable. Prioritize economy and round planning in objective modes, and always review team demos to refine strategies and sharpen decision, making under pressure for consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.